This year's CES 2016 coverage has been brought to you by my mom. Seriously, she paid for my whole trip. Thanks, Mom. What's going on, guys? Now that CES is a wrap, I wanted to put together this video showcasing the coolest PC builds that I saw at CES. Now, I will admit I didn't get to see everything that I wanted to see, so there may be a couple cases I left out, but I think I put together a pretty good list for you guys here. Also, just a disclaimer, I don't know the specs of all of these PC builds, so this is based primarily on looks. But anyway, let's go ahead and get to the video, and you guys let me know which case is your favorite down in the comments below.